Hello, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to Z-Tech Advisor channel dedicated to the world of technology and cybersecurity. We're here to guide you through the ever-expanding universe of tech, solving your tech troubles, and equipping you with advanced cybersecurity strategies. Our content caters to everyone, from beginners to experts. We'll cover basic troubleshooting tutorials and dive deep into complex cybersecurity topics. Our goal is to make it easy for you to understand these complex topics and apply them in your everyday life. Join our growing community of tech enthusiasts where we share insights, tips, and tricks, creating a space for all your questions and queries. So, let's get started on this exciting journey together. Remember, technology should be fun and enjoyable. So, join us on this adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the world of technology.